Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to switch between all open tabs in Firefox. Press both Ctrl and Tab keys, only switch between the two last selected tabs. Type about command config in Firefox browser search bar. Click I accept the risk. Search browser.ctrl. Right click, click toggle to change the value to false. Press Ctrl Tab, switch between all open tabs. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.